Hello guys, today's lesson is the first lesson today in our new course Algebra, and today we are going about the language of mathematics. As we know before, mathematics is the language of science, and if that's true, so what is the language of mathematics? The language of mathematics is the numbers. So because in mathematics we use numbers in everything and we express words as a numbers. So today we are going to talk about the numbers and how people improve numbers and what is the types of numbers. So our lesson today about numbers, okay, and we are going to talk about the history of numbers, and people try to use these numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So this is the first system people used to express their elements, and these numbers we call them the natural numbers. So this set or this group of numbers we called it a set of natural numbers. So the set of natural numbers contains 1, 2, 3 and 4 and so on, going to infinite. So we call this group natural numbers, and sometimes you can find some peoples maybe called it as counting numbers, and we simplified it by n. Now the another question people ask it about, what if I wanted to express or express that I haven't anything in mathematics? That's okay. How which number can express the existing of nothing? So people discovered another number which called 0 and added to our group natural number to form a new group of numbers which called the whole numbers. So the whole numbers contains 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So the whole numbers, all natural numbers plus this is whole numbers, okay, and we simplified it by letter W because the first letter from the word whole is W. So the whole numbers is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and so on. Okay, after that the Indian discovered that if we have a number line like that, and people use this number line to express numbers, and they said that we start from 0 and we are going to the left, to the right, sorry, like that. So after 0 1, and after 1 2, and after 2 3, and after 3 is 4 and so on. But Indian said if we started from the middle of our number line like that, so if we have here in the middle 0, and we can find in the left here, in the left part, we can find a numbers, and also we can find in the right here also numbers. Okay, so the numbers which are in the right, we know them before, they are the whole numbers like 1, 2, 3 and so on. And they said we have in another side we have left numbers like -1, -2, -3, and these numbers are the same number and on the right, but they have a different sign to express the loss or something we lost. So we have here a new group of numbers which contains negative and positive numbers. Here we have negative numbers, and here we have positive numbers, and here we have 0. 0 is neither negative nor positive, and in this case we have a new group of numbers which called integers. So the set of integers contains -3, -2, 0, +3, +2, and here we have -1, -2 also and so on. Okay, in both sides we have 1 on both sides, and this group of numbers we called it integers. Okay, so the integers is a set which contains negative and positive and 0. So sometimes you could express integers, and we symbol integers by the letter Z, like that. So Z is contains three groups. The first group is negative Z, or negative integers, and 0, and we have positive integers, like that. So here we have three types of counting systems. The first one is natural number, and this is the first system people used. And the second one is whole system, or the whole numbers, which people used when they discovered 0. After that we have integers, when people discovered the negative numbers, and integers contains positive and negatives and 0. So if you wanted to express the three groups here of numbers on in a diagram, or in we called it a Venn shape, we can write it like that, or we can draw them like that. We could draw them like that. We have firstly n in a circle. After that we have w, it's bigger than n. After that we have z, which is bigger than w and n, and contains w and n also. Okay, so that's what we have today. Thank you very much. Make sure to subscribe and like our videos.